Hi there. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoy it. And thank you for taking a minute to hit the notification bell and for subscribing. Drop a comment, talk to me. It'd be nice to meet you and it'd be nice to welcome you back. If you love jewelry, you are in the right space. So, yeah, guys, here's another video. And I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to be here. Share this video with anyone who loves jewelry. Hey, so jumping right on in, we have a solid 14 karat gold bracelet that was gifted to me by my aunt. Very beautiful. This was not an inexpensive piece. Gold is so high. But speaking of expensive, guys, this is a big ticket item that you guys may not ever see again. I purchased two big ticket items this year. This is a diamond tennis necklace, and it is 5 carats of diamonds. So yeah, and it looks like pear shapes, but they're not. They are rounds set into the shape of a pear. And this is gorgeous, guys. Look at the quality of these diamonds. Yeah, so I just had to have it. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Just sit back and enjoy. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. And the diamonds go all the way around my neck. 18 inches. Just absolutely lovely. It's so funny because I'm looking at this one compared to the one I got that was Vanna K. Absolutely beautiful. I should do a comparison video soon. But I like that I'll be able to tell this one apart from my other tennis necklaces because this one is diamonds. So pretty. And I'm going to leave it in its beautiful box too as well. So because I bought some big ticket items, which you'll see the other one later in this video, the other jewelry, while fine, was way less expensive, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But first, I want to share with you some perfume by Shay and Blue. Shay and Blue was kind enough to send me a discovery set of their perfumes. Look at this box and look at the inside of the box. So pretty. And so when you open it, look at the perfumes, and these are travel size. So Shay and Blue specializes in clean formulas. They are certified cruelty free, certified vegan, organic, earth responsible. They are LGBTQ plus owned, and all of their scents are unisex. So I've been using these. I've been testing them out, and they're really, really lovely. I love these glass bottles. They're so pretty. What a great gift, especially because they are unisex. And so they're always real ingredients. Their unisex perfume, their cosmetics, and body products are certified clean, vegan, and cruelty free, carefully selected planet friendly ingredients, crafted with artisan techniques, real flowers, fruits, and spices. So, guys, I was very pleased. And thank you, Shay and Blue. Check it out. I will link it below. So, continuing on, I have this bracelet. This was also given to me by my aunt, and it is 24 karat gold plated sterling silver. I know she got that off of a shopping network. I have these earrings. Now, these are small little AB crystal studs, one slightly larger. It was a set of three. You'll see the third later. Look at these cute little sweet pretzel earrings. So, as I was saying, because I purchased big ticket items, these newer pieces here are very small and dainty and inexpensive. These are vermeil. They are sterling silver plated with gold. And yeah, so these were just so cute, I couldn't say no. And then look at these. These are so elegant and classy. And I'm just thinking towards the summer where, like, if my hair is up and it's really hot, I don't want a big heavy earring. I don't even want to feel like I'm wearing jewelry when it gets really hot. So yeah, I thought these were so cool. And then look at these. These are definitely designer-esque, don't you think? So pretty. I got these in two colors. Here's the white. So sweet. Now these I love. These are rubies. So they're very pretty, very dainty, but you know what? That pop of color just does something. It does what it needs to do, right? I love a good ruby. I really do. Can't go wrong with a ruby, in my opinion. I mean, you can never go wrong with the big three, you know? Ruby, emerald, sapphire, you can never go wrong. But yeah, I hope you guys do check out Shay and Blue. I was so pleased. Now with natural perfumes, they don't last all day, but still. Now look at these. Now these I like. They're so different. They're so trendy, but they are so hard to get on and off. Oh my God. They're so hard to get on and off. But I think these are going to be really fun for summer and spring. Like I'm definitely picturing these in April. And here's the other pair. So I did get them in the gold as well. And again, guys, this is all good precious metal. Like I'm trying not to really do junk metal, especially in my ears. I have a hard time wearing the fake earrings sometimes. So these are sweet little bows. Look at them. And see, why would you buy these in solid gold? They're so small. I see no point in buying them in solid gold because they're so small. These are 24 karat gold plated sterling silver. Aren't they pretty? Like a little petunia or something, some sort of flower, maybe even a daisy, or a little dogwood. They're so cute. Now, I wouldn't waste my money on these in solid gold because they're so petite. Now, here's the biggest one of the AB crystal studs. I just think they're magical, little fairy dust. But yeah, so I like to get them in gold over silver. But look at this, guys. I had to sneak these in there. Look at these shoes. Oh my goodness, guys. These are jewel encrusted like mules. They're so fabulous. I had to share these, guys. Look at these. I can't wait to wear these in the spring. Look at that jewelry for my feet. Like, hello. And yes, some of the stones do fall off, but I just glue them right back on. How cool. I had to show these. Look at them. They're comfy too. And they're like plush on the inside, very comfy. Look at these. I couldn't resist. Like, I'm totally going to wear these with like jeans or something. So cool. But anyway, my aunt gifted this ring. This is also 24 karat gold. Like, it's like a coin or something in there, but then the band is sterling silver with gold plate over it. So it's for May band, but the coin is 24 karat gold. I know she got it from a shopping network. She also gave me this. This is a solid 14 karat gold bangle. It's like bamboo. She's probably had it for years. Like this is old school. They don't make these anymore. It's heavy. It's even got the little chain on it. Love it. But yeah, as I was saying, like the price of gold is so high. It only makes sense to get the pieces with weight to them. So like these little studs and like baby size earrings I would never buy in solid gold. So guys, here's the other big ticket item that I purchased, which I normally don't show these things, but this is a diamond tennis bracelet. If you see my community tab, go to that post. You'll see a very interesting post. But yeah, these are diamonds. This is a diamond bracelet. So yeah, I made two big purchases. So you see why all the other jewelry is vermeil. Yeah, how lovely. So lovely. Look at that. We'll just take a moment to take in the beauty of this bracelet. I love diamonds so much. I really, really do. So moving on from diamond to crystal, these are crystal. These are Austrian crystal in sterling silver. They're fun. They sparkle. I mean, you do have to watch out for stones coming out of these sometimes, but they're really fun. I love them. These are like these little hoops. They're white gold plated sterling silver with tiny little stones in them. I'm assuming CZs. So cute. Again, for like the days where I have a really big necklace on or I just don't want to feel anything in my ears. My ears tend to be a little sensitive. These are really cute. These are faux pearl with set in vermeil, so that was really cute. My aunt gifted me these bangles. I don't know what they are, but I do know I showered in them. I slept in them. They did not irritate me or turn me green. So I don't know. They could be gold plated stainless steel or brass because she shops on the shopping networks. They could be silver. They could be platinum. I don't know. I haven't tested them. Look at these cute little lightning bolt earrings. Aren't those cute? I just thought those were so sweet. So sweet. But yeah, little things like this. If you can wear silver and you can wear gold over silver, don't get them in solid gold. It's just not worth the money. These are stunning. I love these. Absolutely stunning. They look designer. And again, you'll have them forever because they are precious metal. You know what I mean? So I'll have them forever. Oh, these are so elegant. I love these. These are super elegant. They almost are like safety pin inspired almost. Paperclip safety pin inspired, but so pretty, so elegant. Sorry guys, I'm still battling a sinus thing. It's so annoying. but how pretty. These are CZs, and I just like the little milligrain border on these. Like that vintage looking setting. I really like that. These are really cute. But again, with cheap CZs like this, if you don't keep them clean, they're not going to sparkle. So you have to keep them clean. So pretty. I hope you all are doing well. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and subscribe. All the jewelry lovers, you belong here with me. So I have the same earring as shown earlier in gold. And again, these are really hard to get on and off. Like, oh my God. Because it's all one piece and then it just threads through the back. They're so hard to get off, but they're so pretty on the ears. Another set of bows. Look at these little bows. And again, I like having them in precious metal. Because if you buy them in junk jewelry, it's a waste. And if you try to get these in platinum or solid gold, you're going to get ripped off. Like you're really going to ripped off. You're going to get paid. You're going to pay a lot and then the value is going to be low if you wanted to sell them. These are crystal, again, in precious metal, but these are the champagne crystal. I was on a champagne kick. I like these. These are white sapphire. These are not CZ. These are white sapphire. So if you can't afford diamonds and you don't want to do a man-made stone, look into alternatives like sapphire and topaz. Thanks, Glamazons. Bye.